How is it that options, that is optional equipment on classic cars, can be both a positive and a negative? The answer to that might surprise you. And I'm going to use this beautiful Night Mist Blue 1966 GT Mustang convertible with pony interior to answer that question. So for 45 years as a car collector, 25 years as a classic car dealer, and a guy who restores classic cars, I've got two of them behind me right now, I've had to deal with the issue of options, optional equipment, over and over. And I can tell you for a fact, they are definitely both a positive and a negative. My name is Michael, and this is Quality Classics. Okay, so to set the stage, I want you to imagine, if you will, that you have this same car, but with no options. And you're either restoring the car and you want these same options, or you want to add those options to the car. You want it to be equipped just like this car. And I want you to think about, along the way, about the additional cost and the additional expense to that endeavor. Okay, let me read these options. There's a lot of them. I think it's got 25 factory options. Okay, so it's got the factory GT Performance package. It's a package. It has a lot of options within that package. Very quickly, it's the 4-barrel motor, that's disc brakes, quick ratio steering, performance suspension, a lot of items involved there. Dual exhaust, trumpet tips, special valance out the back, fog lights, special GT callouts, stripes, and a GT gas cap. That's the GT Performance package. A lot of goodies right there. It's got the deluxe interior package, or the pony interior. It's a package of options, a lot of goodies. Special door cards, special door handles, safety lights in the doors, special seats embossed with the ponies, hence pony interior, wood grain overlays on your dash fascia components, simulated wood wheel. That's the pony interior package. A lot of goodies there. Okay, here are 10 factory options above and beyond those two packages that this car has. 4-speed transmission, that's one of 2 optional transmissions. Power top, power steering, power brakes, rally pack, that's the top tack and clock, console, style steel wheels. Yep, style steel wheels are an option even on a GT. They did not automatically come with a GT. Passenger mirror and backup lights. That's a lot of options. And in the case of this particular car, it has also had some aftermarket updates and enhancements. What are they? It's got modern day redline radials, vintage air conditioning, modern heat, air and defrost. It's got a retro sound system and speakers, LED lighting all the way around, automatic antenna to work with the car cover, a Hurst shifter, Holley 600 carburetor, and Petronix electronic ignition. That is a ton of stuff, all of which require money and effort to be on that car. Wow, that's a lot of equipment. So what could be the downside to all that, and what's the upside to all that? I'm going to answer that on this test drive, and I'd like to hear what you guys think about the upside and downside to a lot of options. Let's go. Okay, so what are the positives and negatives of options on classic cars? Well, let's touch on the positives first. It's very easy. They add a lot of value to the car. So think of the mantra in real estate: location, location, location. In classic cars, that mantra is options, options, options. No question, they add a lot of value. Okay, they also add a lot to the experience. It can be a more enjoyable car. It might go faster because of performance options. It might be more comfortable because of air conditioning, or maybe a different interior. It might be safer because of disc brakes or some other options. So yeah, that attribute's very important. You can't ignore that. Now, the downside. What's the downside to a lot of options? Well, I think you probably already picked up on that earlier in this video. It's very costly. It's costly to restore a car that has a lot of options. Each of those options can add substantial to the cost of the restoration of that car, no question about it. Or if you want to build out a high option car and add those options, it's very expensive to do so. Those parts are expensive. In some cases, they're not reproduced. They're very rare. So yeah, there is a serious cost associated, but they're worth a premium. And that's why I love the high option cars. I'm known for the high option cars. I deal in the high option cars. But fundamentally, what I love most is a good car. Even if it has 0 options. If it's a quality car, I can like that car. But with the addition of each option, it's like another cherry on top. That's my opinion. I'd love to know what your opinion on that topic is. She likes to go. She likes these twisties back here too. If you did enjoy our video, we've got other videos. I think you'll enjoy the content. You can watch this one right here and also come back often. Adios.